Have you ever wondered that it always seems that the cages are out to get us? Well, maybe we should stop blaming other people and start looking at our own riding. Now, I'm not saying your own riding is bad, but let's look at what we can do to reduce that risk of getting hit by another vehicle. Now, looking at my squished face in this, you're maybe laughing, but let's look at the bigger picture here. Anticipation. If we anticipate what other vehicles are doing and stay a safe distance away from them, we are vastly reducing the risk of getting in their way and creating an accident ourselves.